हेलो हेलो हेलो। वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम गाइस। आई होप आप सभी को आवाज आती होगी। सो गाइस, आप देख सकते हो निफ्टी एक फिलहाल 5 मिनट्स के टाइम फ्रेम पे एक डाउन ट्रेंड में है। तो हम लोग अभी डाउन ट्रेंड के हिसाब से ट्रेड देखेंगे। बट आप ये जोन देख सकते हो, मैंने ब्लू कलर में थोड़ा सा मार्क किया हुआ है। वो 1 आवर के टाइम फ्रेम पे एक सपोर्ट लेवल का काम कर सकता है। सो डाउन ट्रेंड, यहाँ पे मार्केट नीचे गिर सकता है, बट यहाँ पे इतना स्ट्रेंथ नहीं होगा जितना लास्ट 2-3 डेज में था। 2-3 डेज में लास्ट अच्छा खासा मार्केट को नीचे की तरफ ओपन हो चुके हैं। अभी देखो मार्केट फिलहाल फ्लैट ओपन हुए हैं और वहीं पे सस्टेन कर रहे हैं। अगर मार्केट हमारे 5 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस लेता है तो हम लोग एक अ, यहाँ पे रिवर्सल, मतलब पुट साइड में हम लोग जाएंगे। और ये 1 आवर का टाइम फ्रेम है, तो हम लोग ये 1 आवर के टाइम फ्रेम में कहीं पे भी सपोर्ट लेने का ट्राई करेगा तो हम लोग कॉल साइड में बैठेंगे। सो हमारे लेवल जो है वो प्ले होने का थोड़ा सा वेट करेंगे और उसके बाद हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे कि कहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटी बनती है और उस तरीके से हम लोग ट्रेड लेंगे। आई होप आप सभी का वीकेंड अच्छा गया हो और आप एक फ्रेश माइंडसेट के साथ न्यू ट्रेड में, न्यू सेशन, न्यू वीक चालू करने के लिए रेडी हो। हमारा निफ्टी का ट्रेड हो जाएगा, उसके बाद हम लोग स्टॉक्स देखना, स्टॉक्स स्पेसिफिक कहाँ पे कैसे एक्टिविटी हो रही है वो चेक करना चालू करेंगे। तो बने रहिए स्ट्रीम पे और अपॉर्चुनिटीज का वेट कीजिए। सो मार्केट अभी तक फर्स्ट 5 मिनट का कैंडल है, जो कि एकदम मतलब बड़ा बनते जा रहा है। 40 पॉइंट्स का कुछ कैंडल अभी तक बन चुका है। तो थोड़ा सा वेट करते हैं और चेक करते हैं कि कैसे वहाँ पे रिएक्शन आता है। पहले 5 मिनट के कैंडल में वही ट्रेड नहीं करना चाहिए, बहुत हाईली वोलेटाइल मार्केट होता है। सो वी शुड नॉट ट्रेड विद इन फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स। लेट्स सेटल डाउन द मार्केट एंड फिर एक अपॉर्चुनिटी ग्रैब करने का हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं। अगर फिलहाल के लिए आईवीज की बात करूँ तो आईवीज अभी दिख रहे हैं। एक मिनट, क्लिक कर रहा हूँ, क्या हुआ? हाँ, तो 36 का आईवी दिख रहा है, मतलब बहुत बढ़िया है, हमारे ऑप्शन बाइंग के लिए फेवर में है। तो वही है कि एक बार हम लोग वेट करके हम लोग चेक करते हैं कि कहाँ पे हमें सपोर्ट मिलता है या फिर ब्रेकडाउन मिलता है। तो उस तरीके से हम लोग ट्रेड यहाँ पे प्लेस कर सकते हैं। तो गाइस अभी भी देख सकते हो 5 मिनट कैंडल अभी तक क्लोज हुआ नहीं है, बट क्लोज होने के लिए रेडी है। और यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा सा पुट साइड का ही मैं ट्रेंड देखूंगा। मार्केट मेरे हिसाब से ये जो सेकंड सपोर्ट लेवल है 1 आवर के टाइम फ्रेम पे, वहाँ तक जाना चाहिए। तो थोड़ा सा वेट करते हैं और 1 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम में देखते हैं प्राइस एक्शन कैसे डेवलप हो रहा है, और उस तरीके से हम लोग ट्रेड लेने के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी बनता है क्या चेक करते हैं। तो पेशेंस रखना इज इम्पोर्टेंट। हाँ, मैं अपना ट्रेडिंग रूल्स बताता हूँ आपको सभी को कि हम लोग मैक्सिमम 3 ट्रेडर्स लेंगे। एक दिन में हम लोग मैक्सिमम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3 ट्रेड्स का हम लोग एम करते हैं। तो 1 ट्रेड इन द निफ्टी एंड 2 ट्रेड्स इन द स्टॉक डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सिनारियो। Mostly, we take only 2 trades in a day, but certain in certain scenarios, we go for the third trade. So this rule will help you to avoid over trading. I'm not sure what is happening, but I'm like feeling unwell from last 3 4 days, and my body is not recovering completely. So energy is little bit down, but we'll definitely stay focused on our target and try to achieve something profitable in today's market. Now let's see if we grab opportunity on the put side. I'm adding the put chart on the right side. So let's add 2500 put. Okay, so candle is showing some strength on the put chart. If I take 1 minute time frame, the structure is looking good. But let's see. Consolidation is happening over there at this area. Let's see if we get a breakdown. So you can see the candle in the put is going fast, moving up. So let's try to get, okay. So I'm entering over here, and this will be my stop loss, 11 points, and we will target for 1 is to 2. Okay, guys. Uh, I have entered. So within a 5 minutes, we took trade. This will be the first time we are entering in the first within the first 5 minutes of the market. So just waiting for the breakdown. Candle is showing some strength on the put side, so that's why I entered. So let's see how it goes. IV is also very good. So it's 29. That's fine. As soon as we get 1 is to 1 target, let's try to book our first plot and the trail rest of the quantity. Okay, the candle is showing some strength on the put side, so I believe we can hit at least 1 is to 1 target. So let's come here 1 is to 1. Okay. Once I hit this target, I'll trail my SL. So that's the 1 is to 1. This one is 1 is to 2. Okay. Just one more tick and we will hit our first target. So let's wait. So if the you can check on the put chart. The candle is showing good strength, but spot chart is not that good. But that's the that's the game of IV. Just one tick above, and our target will be hit. So almost, yeah. So first target is done. So guys, trail your SL at the cost. I would say, yeah, I would say you can trail your SL over here. So first target is hit. Let's go for the second target. Amazing, amazing. The candle is moving very good. So first trade is showing in profit. Amazing. Just I'm trailing my SL to low of this candle. Okay. Just wait for the trailing SL to be hit. Okay. So it's going up. Still holding the candle is showing sustaining above, but chances of hitting trailing SL will be higher. But let's see if this momentum can be continue and we can get more profit on this trade. We are in the profit, and first trade will is first trade of the this week is in profit, so it's a good start of the week, and I believe we can maintain this streak. Guys, I have booked my first lot already at 1:1 and trailing my SL to 118.40. So let's see if we can get the 1:2 target. I'm removing this line because that was my 1:1 target. Now waiting for 1:2, but let's see if we can get the 1:2 or my trailing stop loss is getting it. In the meantime, I'm looking if there is an opportunity in a stock. Most probably, uh, our trailing vessel will be hit. But let's see what will be the outcome of this trade. So it's showing pin bar candle on the put chart. So that's a great. Let's wait for candle closing. So there is a slight rejection from the downside. Uh, yeah, seems like our trailing vessel will be hit soon. So one or two candles more. If you see, the market is trying to sustain at the support level of 1 hour, but as I said, it can come down till the below support level. Amazing, amazing moment in the food chart, and just now trail yourself to this low. So we don't want to drain our profits. The candle closing is dicey. Okay, okay, okay. So our trailing SL has been hit, and we are out of trade. So on the second trade, we have made a profit of 6.36. So that's fine. We are profitable on the first trade. So I'll add the summary up to the first trade. Just wait for few minutes. 6.33, 35 points. So scalping is like this. We entered in trade and we quickly book our profit and effectively manage the trade. Okay, so our first, so this will be the sum. This is the summary of our first trade. So capital used was 16,875 rupees. So I took two lots, and first lot was first lot was booked at 1:1. So that's we captured 11.6 point at the first lot, and for the second lot, our trailing SL got hit. So we booked at 6.35 points in the for the second lot. So overall, we booked 1,346 rupees uh, in overall trade. So Nifty trade is done for the day, and we started our week with a positive note. So that's a good news. And you guys can go for like call selling and all for few. Otherwise, you can wait for 30 minutes and see how market is developing. So let's see if there is any opportunity in the stock. I'll let you know, guys. In the meantime, let's keep this Nifty chart running while I find any stocks. I'll let you know which stocks I'm adding on my radar. So first stock is my radar. It will be a DMart. I'm adding it over here. It's in the equity. So internet is running slow, so that's Avenue Supermart, DMart. Okay. So I have added in my watch list. Guys, whoever want a risky trade, they can enter in demand at the downside. It's showing like very good momentum. And those who are just see, market is so demand is demand broken the support level and it's going down. It's already in the downtrend and today it's showing the downtrend movement away again. So you guys can enter in the short side, but if you are risk trader, then only you can enter the short side. Otherwise, you can wait for the pullback and then you can enter on the short side after a pullback because continuously uh, red candles are there. So we should wait for the short pullback and then we can enter. So Nifty is dead, if you can see what's happening. So Nifty is showing a breakdown over here, as I said. Unfortunately, our trailing stop loss got hit. Otherwise, we could have made a good profit in the Nifty trade. But that's it. There is no issue. We will get more opportunities. So if you think the if you find my levels are good and trading strategy is fine, so you can like my stream. I'm looking for other stocks to add on my radar. Uh, let's see if we get any pullback and short entry with us, like entering with a small stop loss. So we need to be a patient. As there is a support in a one hour time frame in a Nifty. That's why I trail my SL very aggressively. So I'm adding another stock, Poonawalla. Looking so let's see. DMart is going straight down, so wait for the small pullback. And you can see the strength is weakening over the year, like candle is showing some shadows. So waiting for the small pullback will be the good option over here. And in terms of Poonawalla, so here is showing a sign of reversal, like one short pullback will be a good entry. Same scenario over here. So wait for the pullback and let's see if we can get a entry with a small stop loss. Let's see what is happening with the Nifty. So you can see it's a barcode type candle pattern. So one red, one green. So and it's happening in our support area. So it can show a reversal sign or it can be a breakdown. So you will need to monitor such a pattern with very focus and you can definitely trade once you get a breakout or breakdown from such pattern. You will find a very good success rate. I'm looking for other stocks to add in my radar. I'm continuously filtering out the stocks. So guys, showing a reversal in Nifty. So let's see if I can find the stocks that are also showing a reversal and you can look for the trade in those chart. So one of the stock I am looking for buying is Tata Alexi. So you can see uh, if there will be a breakout above this uh, high, day's high, with a good strength, then only I'll be going for the buying side. But let's see if we can get a breakout. Uh, what is happening in the DMARC? So this is a pin bar candle, which is showing reversal sign. So it can come above like for small pullback and then it can show lower low. So wait for it. And what's happening in the Poonawalla? It will be the same structure in the Poonawalla. So Poonawalla is showing a better projection. So you guys can look for a Poonawalla. Just wait for the breakdown. Let's wait for candle closing. Then we can trade. I mean, in the meanwhile, Nifty, what's happening? Nifty, let's see. Okay, so Nifty is reversed. If you can see 1 minute time frame. So reversal is showing on the shorter time frame, not on hard time frame. So if you can see, there is a change of structure. So it started in a downtrend, lower low, lower high, again lower low, lower high, again lower low. then it's moved up, and it's now showing higher high. So this high has been taken out, and change of factor has happened in the 1 minute time frame. So you guys can look for the positive upside move, and this will be the your zone, support zone on a 1 minute time frame. So this is how I draw most of the level, and this will be the internal level for the intraday. So you guys can wait if we get a continuation over here, or then or it's a false breakout, and if market is trapping, then it will go again show a lower low. It seems like market is sustaining over there, so it this is not a trapping, I believe. The market will go upside from here. As you can see, after a breakout, more than 2 3 candles are sustaining above the level, the support level. So there will be no trapping. Otherwise, if there was a trapping scenario, the market could have reversed within just 2 candles. So that's fine. Let's see. Let's wait and see how the market is developing over here. I'm looking at the Poonawala and waiting for a breakout. So it's showing a pullback scenario over here. Also, I'm waiting for the pullback scenario in the DMART as well. So with this pullback, you can get an entry with a small stop loss. That's why I requested you guys to wait for the pullback so we can enter in a trade with a small stop loss. What happening in Tata Alexi? So Tata Alexi is also consolidating with a small range. So let's wait over there here. There is no entry in any stock right now, and I'm looking for further stocks to add in my on my radar. If you can check. So currently, call writers are heavy. So chances of market going down, that's a possibility. So wait for some time and see. I was actually looking for this stock SBI card for a short side, but the let's try to open this chart. Internet is very slow. Sorry for the delay. Okay, so you can see, guys, there is something news, I guess, because you can see the first 5 minute candle is too big. So I do not trade in such scenario. So there is some news maybe. The first candle you can check, it's a 10% drop. However, market is showing it's a 2% stock is dropped by 2%, but there is some sort of maybe a split or something, I don't know. But was at 1,000 rupees and now it's trading at 898, which is 100 rupees on the downside. If you can check the open of first candle was as 1,004 rupees. So open is equal to high it's showing. So that's a bearish scenario. and low is equal to almost closing. So it is a bearish scenario, but I cannot trade in such big red candle. Is there any event today? Let's see, check out if there is an event today. So, economic calendar. Let's see. Let's click on filters, and we will be focusing on 3-star events only. Let's apply. So there is no news today. Okay, so let's see. I guess my internet is running very slow, guys. So sorry for that. Here I'm facing a lot of issue with entry, and so guys, there is a one red candle big. So I think once we get a breakdown of this barcode type pattern, we can enter in the trade. So wait for the breakdown, and let's hope we get a nice trade over there. Tata Alexi is showing the move on upside, and above what's about DMart. Let's see. So DMart is also showing some consolidation over there. So let's wait for the projection to form some good structure, and then we can enter into a trade. As of now, I can see the Nifty is showing a good strength on the upside, but call rating is very heavy, so it can face a resistance above. Whoever purchased a call, they can exit over here. As I can see, there is a resistance level, and let's see if we can. So it's a 0.618. So it's a golden ratio where Nifty can show a reversal on the downside, but you can wait for the price structure to change. Otherwise, you can look for your partial quantities over here. So you can check 1 minute time frame to know what is the structure of market. If you can see, this is the resistance level on the 1 minute time frame. Market is hovering over there, so you guys can wait and check out like what's happening over there. Sorry guys, I had one call, so that's why I muted myself. But I hope I'm audible. So guys, Nifty is showing reversal over there on 1 minute time frame, and I'm entering in this stock, Punawala. So stop loss will be somewhere over here, and let's aim for 1:1 first of all. Then we can try to book some profit, and we can aim for the next target. So stock for today is Punawala for me. You guys can wait for our stock if you are not comfortable with this stock. If I get if my stop loss get hit on this stock, I will be closing my day. But as I earn profit on my first trade, I'm risking half of the profit uh, in this trade. So let's see how it works. And the price is still consolidating in that same zone. So others can wait. The aggressive traders can enter in this stock for a short side as I entered with a small stop loss. So I'm entering with I'm risking half of the profit that I earned on my first trade. So there will be a no loss if I if my stop loss get hit in this trade. Okay, it's showing reversal. So let's wait. Okay, so back to back two green candles have been formed over here, but strength is not that good compared to the red candles. Let's see one or two more candle. What will be the result? It's a 5 minute time frame, so we'll need to wait. We'll need to show some patience, and then only we can aim for a good target. Uh, what's the story of demand? Let's see. So there is a good amount of pullback. There is good pullback in the DMAT. So let's see if we can get some rejection on the upper side. But I don't think if we can get a reversal signal over here because of this green, big green candle. And the other two candles are showing follow-up move. So it's a V-shaped recovery over here, but we can wait for the further projection to develop. Tata Alexi, you can guys, if you haven't entered in the Tata Alexi, you guys can enter here with a stop loss of this candle low and try to aim first for 1:1. Then you guys can move ahead a target to trail your stop loss with a partial booking. But as I said, I entered in this Poonawalla stock, and I took a risk of half of the profit that I made in the Nifty trade today. So I won't be taking any another trade. Uh, if this trade closed in a profit, so that will be a very good day for me. Otherwise, I'll go home with a small amount of money in a profit. So that will be also a good day. But if both trades are closing in a profit, that will be an amazing start of the week and will help me to some gain some confidence. So just waiting for this breakdown of this zone. I usually don't trade this trend line, but just looking at this trend line, you can see all wicks are connected over here. So breakdown of this trend line maybe help to go this stock go down further. If you guys observe, it can be a triangle pattern. Those who are already in trade, they can put a stop loss, and those who haven't taken a trade yet, they can wait for the breakdown of this trend line and the structure that I drawn on the chart, and they can enter with a proper quantity with a like proper risk management. let's see what's happening in the Nifty. So as I said, there is it's a Fibonacci level where market is showing slight reversal sign at 0.618. If you can see, 786 also have been touched. Market is showing reversal, but none of the candle closed above 0.72. So these are the like reversal level of a Fibonacci. But you guys can check if there is any opportunity on the put side. Otherwise, you guys can sell a call over here and gain enjoy the theta decay. Make a spread, guys, for the whole day, so you guys can be comfortable sitting for a whole day in this trade. I hope you all know how to make a spread. If you don't know, just comment your comment and comment down, and I'll explain how can we make a spread. Guys, if you think this frame is valuable for you and you are getting a good knowledge, so please like this stream and share it with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to click on a bell icon, because that will show you a notification whenever I am live, and it will help you to get a grab a good opportunity trades. So far today we have taken a two trade, one trade in Nifty where you can see the summary over here, and the second trade it's going on in the stock, that's Poonawalla, and we are on the short side. So you can see uh, stock tried to close below our mark zone and the trend line, but there is a reaction over here. As aggressive trader, I entered early and I put my stop loss in the system. If stop loss gets hit, it's fine. Uh, Even though my stop loss hits in this trade Poonawalla, I'll be closing my trade with a positive note because I earned the profit in Nifty, and and I risked half of that profit in this trade. So my day will be the profitable even though its stop loss gets hit. So another trade I said that's in Tata Alexi. You can see the market is retesting over there at the breakout level. So anyone who haven't entered yet, they can enter over here and with a small stop loss. So guys, I have been stopped out of this trade, and I'm closing my day. The small profit. It's okay start of the week. We are getting some profit, but not not that much good like I I thought we'll get a positive result in the uh, stock trading as well. But never mind. We are closing this day in a positive end, like with a small profit. So you guys can uh, trade in your Nifty, as I said. You can check the levels that I drawn over here and trade accordingly. Manage your segment as per your risk appetite, and it's showing a sideways momentum in the Nifty. Like it, the Nifty may stay in this range only for today. So you can find a stock with a good momentum and take for the like wait for the good price action or find a good reversal stock. Since market is reversing, and you guys can find a stock that can provide you a good entry level. So guys, I'm closing this stream over here because I'm done for a day. If I stay at in front of screen, so I'll be like over trading. So to avoid such a thing, you can always close your terminal and close the screen of your computer or phone, whatever your device you are using for trading for a couple of hours. So that will help you to avoid over trading and you can stay disciplined over there. So that's it for today. If you guys like this trend, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And also share this stream with your friend, fellow traders, those who are aligned, so they can this stream can help them to align with their trade. Like if I'm going for a short, and their mindset is also looking for a short trade, so they can get more confidence and trade without hesitation. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow at the same time, and let's see if we can get some more profit tomorrow.